In this PowerPoint, we'll look at solving linear equations. A linear equation is often in the form bx plus c is equal to 0, where our leading coefficient b is not 0. We often solve these linear equations by isolating the variable or getting the variable on one side using properties of algebra. For example, if we have the following problem that says solve for t, and we're given 3 times the quantity of t minus 4, minus t, the quantity of t minus 2 is equal to t minus 6, we would need to use the properties of algebra or the distributive property in order to simplify this process. Therefore, if we distribute our 3 over our parentheses and distribute our negative 1 over our parentheses, we'd have 3t minus 12. Distribute that negative, we would have a negative t plus 2 is equal to t minus 6. Therefore, we can simplify the left-hand side. We have 3t minus t, or 2t, and negative 12 plus 2 is a negative 10. That's still equal to t minus 6. Therefore, we could subtract t from both sides to isolate that variable, and add 10 to both sides. So we have t minus 2t minus t, which gives us t. And adding 10 to negative 6 would give us 4. So our answer would be t is equal to 4. We could verify this answer by resubstituting in t equal to 4. Therefore, we have 3 times 4 minus 4 minus the quantity of 4 minus 2. And we want to verify to see if that is equal to 4 minus 6. We see that 4 minus 4 is 0, so 3 minus 4 is 0, minus the quantity of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so we have 0 minus 2, which is equal to a negative 2. That is indeed equal to 4 minus 6, which is also a negative 2, giving us t equal to 4 as our answer. In this problem, we're asked to solve for a. We have 1/4 a minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3 a minus 5/12. In order to simplify this process, it is sometimes beneficial to multiply both sides by the common denominator of our fractions. We can see that the common denominator is 12, so we would multiply both sides of our equation by 12 and then apply the distributive property. We see that 12 times 1/4 is the same as 12 over 4, which is 3. And then we have 12 times a negative 2/3. Simplifying that, we know 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 2 is equal to a negative 8. Distributing our 12 on the right-hand side gives us 12 times 1/3 a, which is equal to 4, so we have 4a. And 12 times a negative 5/12 is a negative 5. Now we can isolate our variable by subtracting 3a from both sides and adding 5. Therefore, we will see we get a is equal to a negative 3. Again, we could check to see if we have the correct answer. This was just an introduction to solving linear equations. You can check out the 3 learning objects in order to assist you further.